Doesn't matter what we are doing, just as long as it's with you. This is Natalie's Life Plus 2. Hey, say what?
4 in Spanish, it's cuatro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 10.
Say it again.
10.
Say what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 10.
Watch out, you're gonna get hit.
Wait, did I want you to upload these pictures of Randy?
Right.
Woohoo! You're up high, Bob.
Huh?
You're high.
Amazing being up here with the wind.
It's so windy today, huh?
Can't touch this. Try and get me.
You can't get up there.
Exactly. I'm coming for you. Hurt my finger. I just sprinted over here.
You see it, Bobby? You see the horse? Akis, you see the horse?
Yes.
What do you think his name is?
Bungie.
Bonji?
Yeah.
Hi, Bonji. What do you think his name is?
Bungie.
Dots.
Dot? That is a good name.
Bungie, mommy. Bungie.
Bonji. You see the horses? What's the horse's name?
Dots.
Lucky.
Lucky?
Yeah, Lucky.
Lucky?
We found a football inside of there.
You found a football?
Yeah.
Cool. Do we see any more animals?
No, he's mad. He didn't want anything to do with anyone.
I forgot. I guess you should build a snowman. It's so dang cold. It should be a snowman, huh? Right now? Okay. Snowman. Good snowman, Papas. Don't throw sand. The rules say don't throw. Management. What'd you say? What'd you say? What'd you say?
Mom, where's my food?
Where's your food?
Yeah.
It's coming. Come here, come here, come here. Okay, you're good. It's still in your eye? Run, run! Huh?
Are we leaving?
No, you got your food finally. You like it? You like your mac and cheese? Good. What happened?
Sam.
Is it raining? Where's Achilles? There he is. Hey, puppy. Woohoo!
I was exploring the ancient myths of clays. It's magical.
And now it's raining, and your brother's running.
Yeah,
in
so
the
we
rain.
took cover in the inside over there.
Are you running in the rain?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. How do we call it? How do we call a horse?
Nay.
How do we call a horse?
Nay.
Say nay.
Nay.
Say, come here, horsey, horsey, horsey.
What? How about what? When I go over the there, and I will tell
Achilles,
Grandma.
Alexander, you better not go over there. Better put your butt back on that fence.
I want that flower though.
You can get a flower somewhere else.